wake up, pull on your favorite sneakers, and within 20 minutes, that sharp, nagging throb at the base of your big toe starts back up. It is that classic bunion ache. It makes every step feel like a chore. You have likely seen those ads popping up lately for the latest bunion corrector. They promise a miracle fix for your feet. This specific flow corrector is getting all the buzz right now. It is a soft splint and toe spacer system. It is designed to pull things back into alignment. It looks sleek and simple in the photos. The marketing makes it sound like you can just slide this thing on. Then you just watch your foot revert to its original shape. But we need to get real about what is actually happening. A bunion is not just a surface level skin irritation. It is a structural shift in the bones of your foot. When you slip on one of these spacers, it feels like an immediate relief. The pressure eases up. The rubbing against your shoe stops. It is like putting a cushion between your toe and the rest of the world. That feeling of comfort is very real. People love wearing them around the house. They fit nicely inside a roomy pair of sneakers. It makes a long day of walking much more bearable. However, there is a massive gap between feeling better and actually getting fixed. These devices are more like a temporary support system. They are not a permanent cure. Think of it like a pair of glasses for your feet. You see better while you wear them. Your eyesight is not actually changed once you take them off, though. The moment you slide that spacer out, your toe is going to want to drift right back. It goes back to where it was. If your bunion is already quite advanced, no amount of soft silicone or fabric is going to force those bones back. It will not create a straight line. The marketing hints at a long-term correction. The science just does not back that up. It is great for slowing down the irritation. It can definitely keep the joint from getting more inflamed. It prevents that constant inward lean while it is in place. But it is not a time machine for your skeletal structure. If you were looking for a way to make your daily commute less painful, this might be a solid, low-risk investment. It is affordable. It is easy to use. Just do not go into it expecting a surgical-level result. You have to manage your expectations carefully. If you want comfort, you will likely find it here. If you want a brand new foot structure, you are going to be disappointed. It is all about understanding the difference between symptom management and a total cure. We often get caught up in the hope of a quick fix. This device is a tool for your comfort kit. It is not a magic wand. It can definitely help you get through a workout. It might help you finish a shift at work without wanting to tear your shoes off in agony. That alone is worth something. Just keep your feet on the ground when it comes to the long-term promises. You are managing the pain. You are not rewriting your anatomy. It is a small piece of gear that does one job well. It provides a little space where there was none. It gives that angry joint a break from the constant friction. It helps you keep moving. If that is all you need, then it is a win. Just stay savvy about the claims of permanent change. Real foot health takes time and usually a bit more than a piece of silicone. But for that daily grind, this could be the relief you need.